In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create email funnels with constant contact. If you already have a list of subscribers and you want to guide them through a sequence of emails, automations are the right place to start. The goal is simple. You set a trigger, then Constant Contact sends your messages on a schedule, so the right follow-up happens automatically. First, click Automations. This takes you to the area where you can build and manage automated email flows. Next, click Create Automation. You are now telling Constant Contact that you want to start a new workflow, not edit an existing one. After that, select Use a Template or Build My Own. If you are new to funnel setup, the template option can save time. If you want full control from the beginning, building your own is a great choice. Once you have made your selection, click Continue. This moves you to the setup screen where you choose how the automation should work. Now you will select an automation template or choose a trigger. A template gives you a ready-made structure, while a trigger defines what starts the sequence for each contact. Choose the option that matches the funnel you want to create, then proceed to the next step. Click Create Path when you are ready. This is where the automation path appears, and this is the visual area you will build as your funnel runs. Next, set the trigger. Take a moment here to confirm the trigger settings are correct because everything else depends on this starting point. You want to ensure that the automation starts at the right moment for the right contacts. After you confirm the trigger, click Save. Saving is important because it locks in your starting conditions before you add your email steps. Now you will drag a Send an Email step onto the automation path. This first email step is usually where you deliver the initial message that introduces your offer, content, or next action. After you add that step, create a new email or select an existing email. If you already have a campaign message prepared, selecting an existing email is faster. If you need to write something specific for this funnel, create a new email and make sure the content matches the purpose of the sequence. Then, drag a time delay step onto the automation path. This step creates spacing between messages, which helps prevent your contacts from receiving everything at once. The delay also gives time for engagement, like opening or clicking, before the next email arrives. After placing the time delay, you will drag another Send an Email step onto the path. This second email should continue the flow, such as offering more detail, providing a follow-up, or directing people to a next step. To build a complete funnel, repeat adding time delay and Send an Email steps until your email funnel is complete. You are essentially constructing a timeline. The more emails you add, the more opportunities you have to guide subscribers toward the outcome you want. As you repeat this, keep your sequence logical. Each email should follow naturally from the one before it, and each delay should match the pace you want for your audience. Once you have added all the email and delay steps, you will be ready to turn it on. Click Activate. Activating starts the automation so it can run for new contacts that match your trigger conditions. At this point, it is a good idea to review the path one last time in your mind, confirming that your first email, delays, and follow-up emails are arranged in the order you intended. And that covers everything you need to know.